back, everybody, and tonight we have installed our window right here with the wonderful help of my operator Steven right above me. And also we are prepping for our in-wall inspection, which is going to be happening sometime tomorrow, as well as our exhaust fan install. We have our shower all plumbed up, as well as all of our electrical done, ready for inspection. We are officially ready to finish our insulation install and then get drywall going this weekend, or by this weekend. Hope you all enjoy. Get me out of here! Oh, wait, there's a wall.